Hello, this is Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty. Thank you so much for watching. Today I have the exciting pleasure to show you one of my best exclusive listings. It's called Casa Bella Catalina. It's in the sought-after gated community of Catalina Cove, which is walking distance from the beautiful Playa Brasilito. Come check out this house with me today. This gorgeous home is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's 2,303 square feet. It has incredible teak ceilings that are vaulted. It's open air, and wait till you see it. It's got this screened-in porch area that just allows you to soak up all the nature here in Costa Rica. This home has amazing airflow with windows and doors on both sides of the home. When you walk into this large living area, you've got the bedrooms on either side, you've got the general living and the common area space behind you, and right behind me there's an awesome loft, which would be great if you want to work from home, have a play area for the kids, or just a place to watch TV. One of the unique features of this home is a screened-in pool area. This is very uncommon to see in Costa Rica. It's awesome because you can stay out here all night watching the stars without any of the bugs bugging you swimming in your pool. It's got an incredible backyard. It's on an 1,800 square meter lot. You can actually build a second home back here if you'd like. Catalina Cove is a wonderful community. It's gated, it has 24-hour security, it's close to everything. There's 33 homes finished, many under construction, almost all of the lots are sold out. It's one of the most sought after neighborhoods. Now is your time to come join us here in paradise. Casa Bella Catalina is wonderful. It's great because it's close to bars, restaurants, grocery stores, the best schools, the beach. It's in a perfect location. What you're going to love about this home is it's a wonderful vacation rental, or it can be used as a great investment as well. If you have any questions about this property, please check out my website below, flamingobeachrealty.com. Give me a call on WhatsApp. Subscribe to my channel. I'd love to hear from you. Pura vida.